Good day everyone. Today is 13th of March 2022. I'm going to spend this afternoon in the McLaren Vale and watch a drone show at night. After a 40-minute drive from Adelaide, it's time to get some lunch. Today's lunch I booked down the rabbit hole, which is my first time to visit, even though I have been to this area a couple of times. This is our lunch today. Outside the restaurant, there's some picnic area, and inside this double-deck bus is where you do wine tasting. Since I have to drive, I'll try it next time. Another place I've never been is this almond train, located in the town center. There are two carriages. The front carriage sells local produce such as almond, olive, dried fruit, and jam, etc. The second carriage is a Japanese restaurant. It is closed at the time I was there, which is a shame, but an excuse for me to come back here next time. Let's take a look at the front carriage. Next stop, the Darrenberg Cube. I would say it's the landmark of the McLaren Vale. It's not only that the building looks special, but also interesting artwork and installation to be found inside and outside. Since I've been here many times, I'll skip going in and just have a walk outside and take some pictures. It's almost 6 p.m. after driving around the area. Let's get to the most exciting and the main activity of the day. The name of the drone show I'm going to watch tonight is called the Sky Song. It is part of the Adelaide Fringe Festival. Hundreds of drones will light up the sky, fly in patterns, and tell the stories of first people. Before the show begins, you can get some food and drink from these food trucks.
is the land, waters, and sky. And like woven reeds, our strong stories connect all of humanity to these. We call these connections song lines. One day, our ancestor, Narundari, he was paddling along in his bark canoe, and he spotted a giant fish ponding, and he thought, geez, I'd like to take that home. There's enough there to feed my whole family. So as he got closer, he grabbed his spear, and then he threw it at Ponding. The fish swam away really fast, and he missed. So he got his spear, put it in the canoe again, and then he paddled, following this big fish. As he got near it again, he grabbed his spear and he threw it. And he missed again. And the fish swam off really fast. As it swam fast, it got caught in these little rocks. It got wedged there. So Narendra paddled up close to it again and he threw the spear. As he threw it, the fish swished his tail and pushed the rocks away.
Soil and excavate the past. Breathe life into the bodies of our ancestors. When movement stirs their bones, boomerangs will rattle in unison. It is not the noise of the poinciana, stirred by wind in its flaming limbs, the sound of the rising warrior's echo, a people suppressed by dread. A hot wind whips up dust storms. We glimpse warriors in the mirage. In the future, the petition will be everlasting, even when the language is changed.
is the end of today's stream. Hope you enjoy and thank you for watching.